Hi, my name is Nikhil and I am a software engineer at Opcito. Today I am going to talk about the easiest possible ways to optimize modernization processes for banking applications. These ways are tried and tested when we were solving key challenges faced by one of our banking clients. Some of the common challenges include incredibly high time, like some processes may take around 15 to 20 seconds to return a response, whereas ideally that same process should have been executed within a couple of seconds. In banking, these added seconds have a significant impact on the overall user experience. So here I am with some easy peasy ways that improve performance, reduce TAT, and add to a customer delight. First in the list is eliminating unnecessary code or conditions. Unnecessary conditions in a function, especially when it is used across multiple APIs, can introduce unnecessary complexity along with increased response time. First, identify such unnecessary conditions in a functions that are being used in multiple APIs. There are chances that the function necessary in some scenarios may not be required for some processes. For some functions, some database communication may be performed, and if same function is used for any other process where the result obtained from the database communication doesn't impact its flow, then this redundancy increases the API response time. So instead of using the common function, I prefer creating a separate optimized function that includes only the conditions needed for the specific process flow. Secondly, identify the issue with the database calls that are made inside a for loop. For each iteration, a database call can be executed. This significantly adds to the total time of the API response. To address this, you can move the database calls outside the loop and modify the query to retrieve all the necessary data before the loop is started. This change eliminates unnecessary database interactions and results in better performance. Another significant optimization I prefer is leveraging multithreading with Executor Service. As you may know, Executor Service is a framework used to manage thread execution, allowing us to run multiple processes concurrently. By using multithreading, you can execute similar tasks simultaneously, significantly reducing the time required for execution. This parallel processing approach improves the overall performance by distributing tasks across multiple threads. This optimizes time-intensive operations and speeds up the entire process. Next is enhancing database indexing. Focusing on database indexing helps us in improving the API response time by allowing the database to quickly locate and retrieve the data, reducing the need for full table scans. By creating the indexes on frequently queried column, database can efficiently process queries, speeding up the retrieval and overall API performance. Next, upgrading the legacy code by incorporating the features like stream APIs introduced in Java 8 helps in simplifying the data processing and improving the performance. Lambda expression can also be used to make the code more concise and flexible. Implementing optional helps in handling null values more safely and eliminating potential null pointer exceptions. For even better efficiency, features from latest versions of Java like var keyword and enhanced string handling along with Java 17's pattern matching for instance of are utilized for improving code readability and maintainability. In addition to all these improvisations, we performed one simple but major improvisation. In the banking system, certain processes need to be executed at the start and end of each day. However, during holidays, these processes are generally executed the next working day, causing issues with the data calculations when including holidays in the date range. To address this, we redesigned the logic. Instead of processing the entire range, we executed the day start and day end activities separately for each day between the last working day and the current working day. We tracked the status of each process for each day in a separate table, allowing users to verify the process completion for each date, ensuring accurate data calculations and smoother operations. This single change helped us to resolve many errors caused due to incorrect calculations. Those were performed on the data obtained from the combined date range during process execution. So these were simple but effective process optimization techniques that we used for BFSI domain. Try these and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding!